Hi everyone, Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks here in Camps Bay, Cape Town, getting ready for a Control4 takeover. Client of ours has asked us to rebuild this floor standing equipment rack. Unfortunately, a bit of a mess here, very little cable labeling, no color management, an installation which really needs a bit of help. We're delivering through the last equipment to build this equipment rack and the server room during the course of this week. So quick summary, what we're going to do, strip out everything from this floor standing 44U rack. We're going to put a 15U swing frame rack as our patch panel and networking hub up on the wall over here. Bring all the cabling down across the floor into two floor standing racks, one with all the audio equipment dedicated, one with all the video equipment dedicated, so that everything is neatly laid out, lots of ventilation and easily serviceable for the future. So really big project in this nice house. Really honored that we're able to carry out this sort of Control4 takeover, and we'll post some progress as we go over the next few days.